Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Solely. Solely means not involving anyone or anything else. For example, he is solely responsible for any debts the company may incur. He is solely responsible for any debts the company may incur. Synonyms: only, simply, just.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. The dolls themselves are now made solely for the tourist interior design market. Now, repeat after me. The dolls themselves are now made solely for the tourist interior design market. The second exemplar. She said all letters from the department were addressed solely to her husband. Now, repeat after me. She said all letters from the department were addressed solely to her husband. The third exemplar. The equivalent game a year earlier is remembered fondly, if solely for a negative reason. Now, repeat after me. The equivalent game a year earlier is remembered fondly, if solely for a negative reason.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Pneumano-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis is the longest word according to the Oxford Modern English. The 45-character long word is a lung disease caused by inhaling very fine ash and sand dust.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.